All right, so now you guys are going to see the area where this is like the laundry area, but we have also something for hand wash. If you want to wash stuff hand wash here in Colombia, it's very typical that you wash some stuff here out of the laundry machine. So you can wash your clothes, your best attires that you want to protect from the dryer machine. That's very typical. I know we don't see it much in the United States, but here in hand wash area is very important. And here, this is where we put all stuff that you don't want to put on the dryer as well. So here we have the kitchen. Okay, very nice modern kitchen. Again, this was found in Airbnb. We have everything that you need. We have a microwave. We have the stove. We have here. You guys can see they will put you everything that you need, so you can have a great stay here in Medellin. Okay. Oh, this is super beautiful. I really like it. So you can put some water in here and pour it, and it feels very very chic and unique. So follow me this way. I'm gonna show you now. This is beautiful. Okay, this is something typical from Medellin. Like most of the people have view. Okay, not even this area. You guys are gonna find a view in Medellin in most places that you stay. All right, look at that view. Okay, I think you guys can hear even the birds. Look at that. Like I said, like here in Medellin, this is very typical. Even if you stay in different zones where are not like privileged like this, you are gonna have a beautiful, beautiful view. Okay, this is amazing, guys. I really recommend you guys go on vacation here in Medellin. Prices are affordable. If you choose a good Airbnb, you guys gonna have a great vacation. You can come with your wife. You can come with your kids. Whatever you choose is gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you the bedroom. Okay. All right. So for the bedroom, we have a full double mattress. We have this also beautiful view. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Oh my God! Look at this. You wake up. You don't even need an AC, okay? Because it gets so cold that the AC is just to open the window. Okay? Look at that. Oh my God! I really recommend you guys go to Medellin and choose a very very good Airbnb. So we have a walk-in closet also. Okay? Look at this. You can have your stuff here. You can put it on top, down there, and this is the main bathroom. Okay. All right.